What's up, everybody? I am going to make some goulash tonight. We're quarantined in still here in Idaho. Hopefully things will be starting to open up. So to all 5 of you who are watching my videos, you're going to see a little bit of Philip cooking. So right now I've got some hamburger and some onions in here. Got the hamburger browning, and I've actually got some water with be sticking some macaroni in there, and I'm going to boil all that, and we'll be adding ingredients soon. Stay tuned. Alright, so I've got my meat browned. I drained off any excess fat, and now I am going to stick some mild diced tomatoes and green chili. We call it rotel tomatoes. My mom used to do those a lot. And then we are going in with tomato sauce. Turn down, and then I just went shopping in my little spice cabinet. Got some rosemary, some roasted garlic and herbs, some Italian seasoning, 21 seasoned salute from Trader Joe's. There's some really good stuff. Got some basil, some garlic powder. So we're going to put a dash of this and a dash of that in there.
Forever, turned alone to every night. Well, I'll slowly gather twigs and leaves and build myself some wings. And I'll leave this life. Yes, I'll leave this life for good. For you are the woman on the run. I am a carpenter's son. For you are the woman on the run, and I am a carpenter's son.
Why not? You know it's going to be good. Now for a little taste test. I think it could use a little bit more tomato sauce, so I might dump a little bit of that in. But other than that, I think the flavor is really good. And our water is almost ready to boil. So we will be throwing our macaroni in there, and we'll be done here pretty soon. So we'll let this cook down. We're going to put a little bit of molasses in there. It needs a little bit of sweetness, maybe a little darkness, and she'll never know the difference.
They wouldn't let go. And if I told you my story, you would hear love that never gave up. If I told you my story, you would hear life, but it wasn't mine.
Alright, so now we have everything done here. So I'm trying to do this one-handed. Some noodles in here. Now sometimes, most of the time, goulash is when you mix them together. We're not doing it that way. We're going to do it this way. just in case we have more sauce than we do noodles, we could also use this for spaghetti. Why not? That. A little bit of that is that. That is Philip Batten's goulash. This is what I do when I'm not singing or fishing. I love to cook. Thanks for watching.